baby, what do you think about your new chair? What do you think about it? Do you like it? Yeah? It's a cool chair, huh? You look so beautiful sitting in it. That's your name right there. Do you see your name? It's pretty cool, huh? It's like a perfect little size for you and room to grow. What do you think about it? Where's Bella? Where's Bella? Where's Bella? Alright, you don't want to sit there? You don't have to. I love you.